the clarion personality at the Rice helm, the esteemed chairman, Sri I.C. Rangamannar Garu, the scholarly personalities, the principals of Rice Krishna Sai group of institutions, august faculty, and my dear young and aspiring future technocrats. A warm good evening to one and all. And on this auspicious occasion, first I would like to thank the management who has given an outstanding support and unsurpassed support to the Department of English to organize these events in a grandeur manner. Because whenever the Faculty of English have approached the management with a small idea, especially our chairman sir, he develops into a grand event. And that would be possible only to the chairman sir and for his kind support and encouragement. Sir, on behalf of Department of English, we thank you very much sir for your kind support. And I must owe my thanks to the organizers of this event, Dr. C. Nilima Garu and S. Soundararajan Garu for their outstanding contribution to make this event a successful one. Because I know what kind of efforts they have made to make this event in a successful manner, and they put their heart and soul to give such a kind of exposure to the students. So that's why I owe my thanks to the organizers of this event. Madam, thank you very much and I'm congratulating you for that. And I must owe my thanks to all the head of the departments of this campus, especially. The reason is the Department of English all the time is coming out with the different events actually. Whenever they are coming out with the different events, of course, though we have planned in a systematic way without disturbing the regular classes actually, we can understand that, or we could understand that some kind of disturbances will be there to the regular classes, even though they have given a fantabulous support to the Department of English for the development of the students. So that's why I should owe my thanks to all the head of the departments, especially the head of the Department of First BTech, Sri Mohan Chand Garu, for his kind support to make this event a grand success. And last but not least, the students. And for your fantabulous and outstanding participation, and I would like to appreciate not only just the finalists, the student, each and every student who has taken the part in this grand event, and appreciating everyone. Because success and failure, it doesn't matter, participation is more important than the success. So that's why I'm appreciating each and every student who has taken the part of this grand event. Because as you know that success and failures are part of our life, but participation is important, which gives more valuable experience to us. It boosts up our confidence level. So whenever the faculty are coming out with such a kind of events for the development of the students, we are expecting more participation from your student side to make these events as successful ones. And I'm appreciating you, each and every participant who has participated in this grand event with more enthusiasm and putting all your efforts. Congratulate to everyone. And on this occasion, actually, it is a very good opportunity to me to express my feelings, especially about Rice Spurti. Because I would like to take it as an opportunity to share my ideas about Rice Spurti, because as you're all the first years, you are not there at the time of launching of Rice Spurti. And let me introduce a brief details of Rice Spurti and what is the intention behind the launching of Rice Spurti on this campus. Actually, we have regular CS classes in your timetable since the inception of the classes. Okay, inception of the college actually. Because our management, they were very conscious about the communication skills development of the students since the beginning of this college. But even then, the Department of English have some kind of dissatisfaction. Still, we have to do something more for the development of the students. Still, they have to improve their skills in addition to their regular training classes in the timetable. Then we had a discussion, we sat together and we came to one decision that we would like to launch an English speaking club on the campus, and it has one aim. It has one single-minded devotion. What is that? What is that? To create an English-speaking environment on the campus. The main objective of Rise Spurti is to create an English-speaking environment on the campus with that motto, with that objective, and we have launched that Rise Spurti with the kind cooperation and encouragement of the management. I have already told that whenever we have approached them with an idea, all the time, especially the chairman sir has supported us like anything. Even when we have approached with the idea of Rise Spurti, and he made it as a grand event. And we have announced, with the guidelines of our chairman sir, we have announced one day as an English speaking day. And as you know that is today, Wednesday. Right? So Wednesday, which is announced as an English speaking day. Right? But how many people are speaking in English today? Please raise your hands. Because as you all know that on every Wednesday, to remind you all the time, by putting all our efforts, without forgetting that, special appreciation to the housekeeping team, they are displaying the boards and reminding you whenever you are getting down the bus, today is an English speaking day, you have to speak in English. But how many people are following that? How many students are following that? But whenever we have announced this Rise Spurti, initially, I have experienced such a kind of a fire in the students. I would like to give small glimpses about that actually whenever the launching of Rise Spurti. Some of the students have shared with me, let me share that experience with you, and it has given me a lot of happiness at that time actually. Students are coming by college bus. One other college observer was there in the same college bus actually, our Rise bus only. So all the students, you know the environment of the college bus. Inside of the college bus, as you know that, all are chit-chatting, all are shouting like anything, commenting on each other, talking about movies and all in Telugu only. So suddenly, whenever the bus enters into the campus, the people who are speaking in English on that day, especially in that bus all the time, till it reaches to college, they were speaking in Telugu, suddenly they shift over to English language by displaying the Spurti badges. And that observer was shocked. What happened to these people? Suddenly they started speaking in English. Till now they started commenting on each other in Telugu, but suddenly why they have shifted over to English language? Then one of the faculty members, they have expressed it that today is an English speaking day, so that's why all are speaking in English. And that faculty was surprised. One more experience I could explain to you. Some of the girls, especially during the break time, I could remember that they are the second year students. They went to college canteen. And they were asking the people in English only, not in Telugu on that day. And these people are explaining in English, but the canteen people couldn't understand what these people are asking. They are giving the surprising looks to them, but they were unable to understand what these people are asking. But even then, see the commitment of the students at that particular situation. They were not switching over to Telugu, even though the opposite people are not understanding that. They were trying to simplify the statements and trying to convey the information to them what they want. But even then, the canteen people are struggling hard to understand. Then, final years, students were standing beside them. They understood the difficulty of the canteen people. They approached them. They have explained the things in Telugu. Then the canteen people understand and given the required things to the girls. See the determination and commitment of the students. But what is happening? Whenever we are speaking in English, if you face any difficulty, immediately we will switch over to Telugu language. If you are not facing the difficulty, how can you improve your language skills? And I have seen such a kind of a commitment in the students at the launching of Rise Spurti. Because I have mentioned that the main aim of Rise Spurti is to speak in English, to create an English speaking environment on this campus. I know many people are talking something about universities, VIT universities, SRM universities, where the people are speaking in English. I am asking only one question. I am asking. Why can't we create the same English speaking environment on this campus? Is it impossible? Possible. It is possible, especially to the students. In the word impossible, the word itself suggesting that I am possible. I am possible. Okay. So we the 8 members have showed the way how to develop your communication skills on behalf of Department of English. But the success, it never depends on just faculty members, it depends on all the students. If that English speaking day, if that is getting success, the credit goes to students. If it is getting the failure, that credit also goes to the students only. Right? But such a kind of a fire what they have, you know the general attitude of the Indians. What is the general? Initially lot of fire will be there. Yes, we will go for a war and we'll fight each other like anything. But slowly, it is almost like a Bisleri bottle. Initially it blows out like anything. Slowly, it comes down. That's what happened to Rai Spurti, especially the English speaking day. Whenever we are seeing those hoardings, when the people are speaking in front of the hoardings in Telugu language, being an English faculty, I felt very sad many times. Because we are just showcasing them, but we are not following that. We are not following that. Execution is important. Then only change will be possible. Right? So without practice, change may not come. And you have been treated language as a subject. So that's why most of the people are unable to speak in English confidently, even few sentences. English is not a subject, it is a skill. It is a skill which requires practice, usage. If you are not using the language, your communication skills may not develop. So on behalf of Department of English, we are doing and putting forward all our efforts to improve your communication skills. We are expecting the same kind of support from you all. And it became, English speaking day has become a dream to all the English faculty. And your seniors made it as a dream. Can you bring it to reality? Yes, can you bring it to reality? Yes, right. So bring that change from the first year. Then all the remaining batches will follow you. Be like a leader, not like a follower. Okay, that is the only request I'm expecting from you all. Don't forget that English speaking day and try to participate as many events as possible which are inculcate on this campus for the development of communication skills. See the efforts of the management, see the efforts of the faculty members. We are striving hard for your development. Try to utilize them in a proper way. Right? So thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity.